Welcome, everyone. Today, we will explore how AI is reshaping the travel and leisure industry, driving smarter decisions, personalized experiences, and stronger profitability. From customized travel experiences to intelligent CRM automation, AI is no longer optional, it is actually essential. Hi, this is Pankaj Gupta from Mithon Venture Partners, a zero-based revenue scaler and fund based in Singapore with approximately 120 startups in our portfolio. Thanks to our portfolio startup, Kinnso, who is going to share how Gen AI and agentic AI innovations are powering the next wave of growth in the travel and leisure space. And now we will start with a quick demo video from Kinnso. Here we go.
Hello everyone, and welcome to today's. I'm Willie, founder of Kinnso, and over the next 15 minutes, we'll uncover how AI reveals hidden revenue gaps and drives measurable profit growth. Every insight I'll share today comes directly from live experience, with the Kinnso AI agent platform powering real campaigns you'll see in action. Let's start with a major paradox. Rooms are full, flights are sold out, yet profits are flat. So where's the leak? Hidden commissions, unmanaged distribution, inefficient marketing spend. Your revenue machine works hard, but without AI, it leaks value daily. Kinnso pinpoints those leaks precisely using adaptive data models you'll see later in our demo. There are 3 consistent revenue leaks across hospitality and retail. First, the commission squeeze, 15 to 30% lost to intermediaries. Second, the trust deficit. Consumers believe real voices, not ads. Third, the content bottleneck. Creative output is slow, expensive, and guest-based. Each weak point becomes an opportunity once AI continuously analyzes, creates, and personalizes for you. High commissions reduce margin, less budget for creative, less engagement, dependence on third parties again. That's the loop we see everywhere. This slide shows how profits silently erode in that cycle. AI breaks the loop by automating insight collection and transforming reaction into prediction, the core principle behind the Kinnso flywheel you'll see next. Here's the engine that turns leaks into momentum, the Kinnso AI-powered flywheel. It's a closed-loop system that amplifies growth with every cycle. 1. Data Hub collects customer signals. 2. AI agents turn those insights into actionable campaigns. 3. MarTech integration finds authentic voices for distribution. 4. Community feedback feeds new data back in. Every turn gets faster and smarter, a true profit engine. Let's walk through how it works. Step 1. Data analysis from live trends and reviews. Step 2. AI creates personalized concepts and assets instantly. Step 3. Activation through trusted voices and channels. Once you've seen this loop, you'll realize why Kinnso shifts marketing from expense to intelligence. Now, let's see the flywheel in action on the AI platform with a live demonstration. I'm going to show you how Kinnso transforms a simple idea into a complete, campaign-ready package. Step 1. SEO, SEM Keyword Analyst. Discovering market opportunities. We begin with our first AI agent, the SEO and SEM Keyword Analyst. Here, I enter Japan Food Tour as our main keyword, select Japan for the target region, and choose English for language. With just one click, the agent fetches comprehensive real-time keyword data, providing instant insights that would take a traditional team days or weeks to uncover. The system reveals actionable results, a ranked list of high-potential keywords, monthly search volumes, and competition levels. Critical alerts such as which keywords present cost risks for paid ads. Niche opportunities, for example, Japanese kitchen tour with high organic potential. On screen, you'll see clean tables and charts update in real time, giving us market opportunities and actionable intelligence, essential for making strategic campaign decisions right from the start. Step 2. Keyword In-Depth Insight Agent. Deep dive into trends and audience intent. Moving to Step 2, we activate our Keyword In-Depth Insight Agent. This powerful tool dives not just into metrics, but also into historical search patterns, trend seasonality, and the deeper questions of user intent. I feed in our priority keyword and instantly, The AI agent analyzes how interest in Japanese food tours has evolved over the past 5 years, spotlighting huge seasonal spikes in spring, cherry blossom, and autumn foliage, plus a surge in demand following global travel restrictions. Charts and timelines visualize these macro trends. Segmentation reveals the top locations searched, most popular tour types, and the actual reasons travelers book food tours, ranging from authentic cultural immersion to social media-driven culinary experiences. Instead of simply seeing what is being searched, we get a layered understanding of why, when, and how, enabling us to tailor our campaign for maximum relevance and impact. Step 3. Travel Article Creator. Instant campaign content generation. With market targets and deep insights secured, it's time to create campaign-ready content. I move over to our AI-powered article creator. Here, I input a headline, The Ultimate Japan Food Tour, a food lover's guide to Tokyo and Osaka. Set English as the output, and hit generate. In seconds, the AI agent produces a highly polished, SEO-focused travel article, engaging headlines and sections tailored to traveler interests. Detailed itineraries covering Tokyo's Tsukiji markets, sushi counters, Osaka's lively street food, and festival experiences. Real answers to frequent traveler FAQs, including must-try dishes, best regions, and practical tips for first-timers. The entire structure aligns with earlier insights, ensuring the content is both trend-driven and conversion-focused. Traditional copywriting bottlenecks, briefings, drafts, long reviews, disappear as the whole article appears, ready for instant editing, publication, or sharing. Step 4. Visual asset creation and creative analysis. First, after generating our campaign-ready article, we bring our story to life with the text-to-image generator AI agent. Using the travel guide's highlights and campaign themes, I prompt the agent to create a vibrant, original image. On screen, you can see the AI generate realistic scenes, Tokyo's bustling night markets, Osaka's neon-lit streets, and signature Japanese dishes like sushi, takoyaki, and ramen, crafted with rich color and lively detail. But we don't stop at image creation. To ensure our visual resonates with audiences and truly drives results, we move to our 5th AI agent, creative analysis. Now, I upload our newly generated image into the creative analysis tool. Here, the AI automatically analyzes the image's effectiveness and engagement potential across key metrics. On screen, you'll see an in-depth dashboard as shown in the attached image. Heat maps reveal which areas draw the most visual attention. Scores for clarity and focus help us quickly understand how well our creative delivers the message. Detailed feedback and actionable suggestions appear, identifying strengths and opportunities for improvement, whether for web, ads, packaging, or social campaigns. This step gives us instant intelligence about how our visuals will perform in the real world, helping us rapidly iterate and select the best assets to maximize user engagement and conversion. So in less than 2 minutes, we've gone from a single keyword to market-validated topic ideas based on real search data, a complete, publication-ready article, professional campaign visuals. This is the Kinnso AI flywheel in action. Every step feeds into the next, creating momentum that accelerates your marketing velocity by 10x. And here's the key. Once these assets are generated, you can deploy them immediately. Post the article on your blog, schedule social media content, launch email campaigns, and activate influencer partnerships through our KOC engine, which identifies the right voices in the UK market who already engage with Portuguese travel audiences. This isn't just faster. It's smarter, data-driven, and infinitely scalable. What you just saw would typically cost thousands of dollars and take weeks with traditional agencies. With Kinnso, it's automated, instant, and repeatable for every campaign you run. Next, Hong Kong shopping mall faced a branding issue. Foot traffic was high but conversion flat. AI social listening revealed customers associated mall with emotional comfort, not just shopping. Kinnso AI rebuilt creative themes around healing and community within hours. 215% rise in social engagement, 38% boost in traffic, 90% faster campaign delivery. This is the power of data animation plus AI execution. Let's quantify the change. Speed, campaigns that took weeks now take hours. Data precision, cost per conversion drops by double digits. Scalability, one team can manage 10 times more campaigns because AI handles the grunt work. It's not about replacing people. It's about empowering marketers to operate at machine speed. This technology is built for operators who want control and visibility. Airlines seeking direct bookings, hotels needing real storytelling, malls driving foot traffic, travel brands that need authentic voices. If you work in experience marketing, AI will soon be your best colleague, not just an assistant. At Kinnso, we've seen every sector find new profit corridors once AI flywheel takes over. The journey starts by measuring your revenue leaks with AI's precision. Kinnso helps you visualize where to act first and automatically reinvest savings into high-return channels. From there, each campaign feeds into the flywheel, accelerating growth every cycle. This is how AI creates compounding profitability, a long-term engine, not just a temporary boost. Thank you for joining this session. We've shown how the Kinnso AI platform detects profit leaks, builds campaigns in minutes, and delivers real-world growth. Now it's your turn to try it personally. Scan the QR on screen to book a customized demo and experience your own AI-driven flywheel in action. Let's open the floor for your questions. Thank you again for being part of the AI profit revolution.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, Willie and Kinnso team, for preparing this quick, very insightful video. Now I would request Willie to introduce himself. He's the founder and CEO of Kinnso. Please, Willie, unmute yourself. Yeah.
Hi everyone, I'm Billy, co-founder and CEO of Kinnso, and we are the Hong Kong team developing this AI solutions mainly for tourism and hospitality and leisure industry. We are very happy to introduce these revolutionary solutions for different business that can use our solutions to maximize their productivity and reduce their production costs. Yeah, and everyone can see what we have introduced in the video. We create the SaaS platform mainly for business who can use our solutions to make their campaign faster and in lower cost. So if you have any questions, you can ask about what our solutions can help in different industry. Yeah.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, Willie. So there are some questions for you, and please stay ready with amazing answers and insights. So the first question is, what kind of data sets or data sources are you using to create these insights? Other than using publicly available information, do you also require data sources or data from the customer themselves? Please go ahead.
Yeah, we have different type of data, of course. We mainly leverage some public data or some search data, social media data we scraped from the online. For example, you can see in our demo if the people can want to know more about the tourist preference. Maybe we can, in our database, we already capture a lot of data from search engine, from social media, from some marketplace, from some OTA about their preference. And also if the clients want to make it the result more precisely, they can integrate the first-party data, or we can leverage different second-party data in our data hub. So the result will be much more precise and effective. But of course, it depends on what the customers want to achieve in their platform. Yeah.
Okay.
A lot of data inside already. Yeah.
So that's good to know, Billy, that you are leveraging the publicly available information as well as customer provided data to create the insights. Now, the next question is, do you incorporate any cultural nuances while creating marketing content for these customers? So for example, a Portuguese person visiting Japan, there's a lot of cultural nuances that you may have to consider. So do you incorporate those those cultural aspects into the marketing content and into the insights?
It depends, because we see the challenge from for different industry right now. For example, if for some Japanese market, the marketer or the company really want to know the preference from different country. People from overseas have different preference. For example, there are some Western visitors, some Southeast Asia visitors. They have different preference, and like what Pajas you said, they have different cultural preference. Normally, it's very difficult for business to know their preference before, but now they can use our engine to discover these preference really in real time. Yeah, so they can find a lot of hidden gems or hidden requests from different visitors. So that's why they can create much more targeted content, how to attract the people to buy their product or how to or use their services. Yeah. So I think not only create a marketing campaign, some of our existing customers use our engine to fine tune their product, to further make some new products, some new services based on our engine. So it depends on how you use our platforms. Yeah, there are some cases not only in uh, tourism industry, some airline also use our engines to create more local content. For example, there is a Taiwan airline. They use our product to create some local content for different the countries. Yeah.
Okay, so which means that your product can be used not only by the marketing departments of a company, but also by the product teams,
Yeah, the product team.
by the business development team, and so on and so forth, which
Yeah,
is
yeah, yeah. What our customer gives us some feedback. Only marketing team want to use our product, like some product development team, is very critical for them to instantly give them some insight how to
right.
develop new products. Yeah, it's very important. Like what we are experiencing in Hong Kong, we want to attract more visitors from Middle East, but it is very difficult for Hong Kong local business to know the preference from
Right.
Middle East visitors. So it's really, really important for us to use very instant solutions, how to discuss discover their preference through our platform.
Okay. So Kinnso is not only a marketing tool or solution for the travel, hospitality, leisure companies, but
Yeah.
also a voice of customer solution and a product development solution. That's good to
Yeah.
know. Now, I mean, you are obviously seeing that there's a lot of um, buzzword about AI. There's a lot of saturation of AI. There's a lot of Gen AI powered content that we see all over the internet, right? And people are a bit tired of that, Gen AI powered marketing content or videos or pictures and so on and so forth. So, how
Mm.
do you plan to humanize the content to avoid that AI saturation? And also,
Mm.
other than humanizing the content, can you also make the content more personalized based on different traveler profile, persona? Uh, yeah,
Yeah, yeah, it is very important because I think the major benefits of using generative AI is how to create much more targeted content for different target customers. But these kinds of the cost is very high, very high before. It's very difficult for us. Like our cases, many customers feedback us. It's very difficult for them to make for example, different language target different country visitors. but now they can make different country materials, especially for those country visitors. It's very important for them to create different copies or not only marketing materials, but also like the menu or some the product menu. Yeah, so not only using create the people using our product creating online materials, we also use our product to create some offline materials or even some promotional materials to hit the right travelers. So to answer your questions is not only lower the cost, but also make the content. You can see not only in our product making images, but also making video. People can, for example, they want to introduce some product using video or using some short video, they can create a video in our platform now right now. Yeah, so it depends on how to use your generative AI technologies. Yeah, maybe you want to explain some missing more product, more detailed infos for your potential customer. I think short video is another battlefield for marketers to create the content. Yeah.
Okay. Uh, you also talked about the cost efficiency and profitability for travel leisure companies, but the question is, can their customers or the actual travels also achieve some savings because of your solution? Is that a possibility?
Yeah, of course. Because we have another to C platforms. People for visitors can use our to C platforms to enjoy our AI agents. We have create different AI agents for travelers, visitors. That's why, on the other hand, we have to C platforms to get more data source from visitors or travelers. So that's why we can help our customer. You can see in our SaaS platform, we have some agents for business owner, marketers to create a campaign. But we can help business to create some agents to tailor-made for their customers. So which means that our model is not only B2B, but also B2B to C. We can help you to create some your agents to tailor for handling inquiries or some making some interactions to answer some interactions from your end customers. Yeah, we also have this kind of agent provided in our platform.
Okay. So other than B2B solution, you also have a B2C solution, which is not only helping you serve the travelers directly, but it also acts as a data source for
Yeah.
you to build your models even better.
Yeah, yeah.
That
So,
makes
so if you the business can give us upload their knowledge base in our platform, we have Stars platform. So that's why we treat it as a yeah custom business AI platform to attract your potential visitors or some to as a Q&A or some FAQ agents to answer your questions on your web or in your chatbot. Yeah.
okay. How do you manage the data privacy, the data security when you are dealing with travelers directly, and also you are dealing with the airline industry or airline, leaders, the travel leaders, the resorts, the hotel groups, and so on and so forth? How do you take care of the data privacy to make sure that the personal identifiable information and other key information of people is completely
Mm,
protected?
mm, mm. It depends. For some, uh, our SaaS platform, we put it on the cloud. If we need to interact with our customer database, we have another separate database to store these data in a separate DB, which is not the common one in our the common database in our platform. So if also there is some PII information, I think that's not the problem. Yeah, we and also for our platform, we also already to get the some security checking and license. to answer these questions to prove our system are very secure. Yeah, because we are Hong Kong cyberport incubated company graduated, we just complete the security scan. Yeah, for the whole product. Yeah, so we are very confident we are up to the security standard.
Okay, so you have gone through all the security certifications, all the security requirements to make sure that there are no data or personal information leaks
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
from the system.
That's correct. Yeah.
That's good to know. And you are pretty much available and ready to serve customers anywhere in Asia, as well as Middle East, right?
Yeah, 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 yeah. We are very ready because we have the platform. We have the platform which is very scalable because we have different plans, different yeah. We are very ready to expand into Mecca. We have some potential customer, or some we have some customer already, and not only in Hong Kong but also in Taiwan and Japan. Yeah, so that's why we are expanding our market to Southeast Asia. I think it's very important for us to approach some potential partners, customers in Southeast Asia, because there are a lot of Southeast Asia country. They are very the top priority for some tourism marketing. So I think that our second step is to want to find some customer and partners in Southeast Asia.
Okay, that's fantastic. It's good to know that you are ready to scale and you have a pretty scalable solution, which can serve different type of customers from different geographies.
Yeah.
Uh, Thanks a lot, Willie, for answering all the questions and providing this insightful demo of your product. I think it has been quite helpful.
Mm.
And the travel, leisure, hospitality, airline companies out there who may be listening to this webinar may get a lot of value out of this conversation today. Again, really appreciate your time, and
Yeah.
I'm sure that we will have more questions, more comments later on the
Yeah.
live stream.
Yeah, thank you. If anyone wants to know more on the specific information about vertical industry, we have a lot of case. We can share it with us each one later on. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you much, Pacha.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, Willie. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye.
Okay. Bye bye.